If you want to sign out of all devices in Grammarly, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful fix if you've logged in on a shared computer, switched devices, or just want to make sure your Grammarly account stays secure. By the end of this video, you'll know how to clear every active session at once without having to sign out device by device. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software how-to guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the site loads, log into your Grammarly account using your email and password, or whichever sign-in method you normally use. After you're signed in, look to the left navigation sidebar and click on Account. This will open your account-related options and settings. Next, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of different options related to your Grammarly account. From that list, select your devices. This section shows every device that is currently logged into your Grammarly account. Take a moment to review the list so you can confirm which sessions are active. At the top of the device list, you should see an option called Sign Out on all devices. Click that button to instantly clear all sessions across every device. Grammarly may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. Once you do that, you'll be signed out everywhere at the same time, which is perfect for protecting your account or starting fresh on a new device. If you want, you can then sign back in only on the device you plan to use going forward. This is one of the fastest ways to secure your Grammarly account and make sure nobody else still has access. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.